You want your...
I'll go ahead and film some of the fun here.
You want this on?
Yeah, you can turn that on. Just hold it down 3 seconds. Do yours too. So here goes the drone. I gotta monitor what it's doing. As long as it does what it's supposed to, we should be in good shape. That looks like it's higher than any tree to me. It's gonna do what it's supposed to. You ready to boogie? Make sure it starts recording. Should hear a sound. It's only going to go 12, so.
Where is it?
There it goes. It's recording. It's coming. It's right. Going to come right down the path. Here it comes, 12 miles an hour.
Oh, I don't even see it. So
You want to let it get ahead of us? Or you want to stay ahead of it? Kind of waiting for him to get ahead of me. I said I've been kind of waiting for him to get ahead of me. I'm going too fast.
what's that up there?
That's a bird. I think it's going to pass us here momentarily.
Well, kind of follow them by.
It's coming up because this is the open spot. Oh yeah, it's way behind us. I gotta go way slower. It's coming. 12 is pretty slow.
Yeah, well, I'm doing 9.
I know it'll catch us eventually, but we had a quarter-mile head start on it.
Well, it probably sees it.
Oh, I can see what it's filming. As long as it doesn't encounter any 100-foot trees, we'll be in good shape.
Yeah, well, there's one.
Well, it's got radar.
Can you see it?
Oh, it's probably straight overhead, just about. Oh, I see its shadow now. Hear it? Here she comes. Okay, we might have to pick up the pace a little. Provided it doesn't lose any signal, it's gonna wait for us at the end. Howdy. Thank you. Howdy.
Well, give me that pedaling. What's happening?
Oh, I'm pedaling. I'm waiting for my drone. I gotta see where it went. I gotta see where it went. It's killing me here.
Where'd it go? She just waved at it. I don't even hear it.
It's moving.
Is it still behind us? Watch your camera and see if it's going.
It's doing 12 miles an hour.
Somewhere else.
Go ahead and get off the path. I'll find it. It's way ahead of us, evidently.
No, it's behind us. They waved at it. I hear it now. Is that it?
You hear it? It got way ahead of us. It's going up there and then it's gonna stop.
Where?
It's up by the road.
Yeah, you know where it went? Over there. Because you didn't put into for this job. So it went straight and we turned. I thought I heard.
Okay, it stopped.
Good morning. I thought I heard it over there.
Okay, I'm bringing it back towards us.
That's what it did, Kelly. We turned, it went straight. See what I mean? You went across the bridge. It didn't, it stayed straight. Because I thought I heard it over here. And that's where it was. On that side of the trees.
Okay, there's them people. Yep.
Who the fuck do you think you
That's a classic case of
You're a dog that beat your ass.
I would beat its ass too, the little bastard. So anyhow, that's what happens when you goof up.
As soon as your dad fell, that's what happened. You turn, they go straight. Watch it, there's somebody coming. Get off the bike.
Okay. We'll go to the next segment. Hopefully it'll work out better than the last segment.
Well, whenever you jog, you gotta have that eye on it because it's gonna go straight.
Okay.
And that's what it did here. Went straight down the other side of them trees. we turned and came down the bike path.
Okay.
Good morning.
Hello again.